Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your password on the Moodle of University of Duhok. First step, open the website of Moodle University of Duhok, and for example, when you try to log in, it is invalid login and tells you please try again. In case you have forgotten your password, below login you can see it is written that forgotten your username or password. You click on that one and then you get a new window. In this window you can either search by your username like here, or you can search by your email address. You can do any one of them, and by doing any of these steps you will get an email directly and you will get a link to reset your password. I will search by username. I'll type in my username and I'll search. As you can see, it says if you supplied a correct username or email address, then an email should have been sent to you. So it says that if I open my Gmail now, I should have a link to reset my password. It contains easy instructions to confirm and complete this password change. If you continue to have difficulty, then contact the site administrator. I'll go and check my Gmail. As you can see, in case you don't receive a link, then it's better to refresh your Gmail. But here I have got a email and that will help me to reset my password. So a password reset was requested for your account, and then to confirm this request, then you have to click on the link that is being provided to you. So by clicking on that, as you can see, I got a new page, and here I get to type in my new password and then retype the new password below as well. So it's important to know that in order to get a new password, it's important to type letters, numbers, and the symbols plus, minus, star, or other symbols that you can find it on the top of the keyboard. So I'll type in a new password, letters, numbers, and an icon. Again, typing in the new password, letters, numbers, and icons, and then click Save Changes. This way, you get a new password and you can log into the Moodle and have access to your classes. This can be done taking the same steps by other students or teachers or managers or others who are enrolled in the Moodle of University of Duhok. For changing your username, you can take the same steps and you can simply change your username.